dive into antes. Antes. Before. Antes. Before and after. Antes y después. Aquí viene la frase. I told you that before, man. Ya se lo dije a usted antes. More informal. Ya te lo dije antes, tío. We can also use antes to say formerly. You know, something or somebody used to be or have something formerly. This street used to have another name. Esta calle tenía otro nombre antes. Me acuerdo que antes esta calle tenía otro nombre. Antes with prepositions. Antes de, it also means before, of course, but let's put it into a phrase. Ah, hombre. Let us eat before we go. Comamos antes de ir o antes de irnos. And you also have antes que. Ah, they left before we arrived. Salieron o se fueron antes que nosotros llegásemos. Se habían pirado ya, tío. Ante todo, above all. As you can see, we have dropped the S, all right? Ante todo. Above all, first of all. Above all, don't forget to write me. Okay, I gotta keep attention, not too many here. Above all, don't forget to write me. Ante todo, no olvide de escribirme. No olvide escribirme de vez en cuando. Ante todo. Bueno, aquí viene el primer verbito, anticipar. Anticipar. To advance. To lend. He borrowed me. He lent me 30 euros. Me anticipó 30 euros. Me los anticipó. They advanced the date of the party. To advance again, anticipar. Anticiparon la fecha de la fiesta. Se tuvo que hacer más pronto. Anticiparon la fecha de la fiesta. Making it reflexive. Anticiparse. To arrive ahead of time. They arrived half an hour early. Se anticiparon media hora. And finally, it also means to get ahead of. He got ahead of me. Se me anticipó. Bueno, ya hemos anticipado de todo. Continuamos con antiguo, old, ancient, or former. Antiguo. You can use it to express fashion a la antigua. Le gusta vestir a la antigua. She likes to dress in an old-fashioned way. Próxima palabrita, antipatía. Acentillo, cuidado. Antipatía. Dislike. He dislikes me. Me tiene antipatía. So when somebody is disagreeable, let's say, not a nice person, antipático. Antipático. He is very disagreeable. Es un hombre muy antipático. Bueno. Próximo verbo, anunciar. Anunciar. To announce. You know. Anunciar. But also means to advertise. Cuidado. Advertir doesn't mean advertise at all. Advertir means to warn. So you want to advertise something, you have to anunciar. So the noun, an advertisement, an announcement, or a notice, is un anuncio. Anuncio. Próximo verbito, añadir. Yes, it has the N with the haircut. Añadir. To add. To put something additional somewhere. Añade leche a los huevos. No sé por qué, pero mira, hazte un batido de huevos. Añadir. Añade. Another guy with an N with a haircut is the word año. A year. Don't forget the haircut if it means something else, eh? Cuidado! So, año, a leap year, you know, when February has an extra day to hang around. Un año bisiesto. Bisiesto. Ah, hombre. A new year, muy fácil. Año nuevo. Happy New Year. Feliz año nuevo. Feliz año nuevo. Y ahora, cuidado, alert. In English, you say about the años, you say how many years you are. I am a certain amount of years. En español, you need to say how many years you have. Ta-dam! I am 27. Yo tengo 27 años. By the way, I'm 38. Bueno, el próximo verbito, apagar. Apagar. Separately, apagar means, you need to pay, man. Pero juntos, apagar means to put out, to extinguish. Put out the light, please. Apague la luz, por favor. Apagarse, same thing. The lights went out. Se apagaron las luces. This is why when there's a blackout, everybody's out of power, it's called un apagón. Ajá. El apagón. Me he quedado sin electricidad, tío. Ha habido un gran apagón. Próximo verbo, aparecer. Aparecer. To show up. To turn up. He didn't show up, man. No apareció. Appearance, as in presence, is aparición. He was surprised by the sudden appearance of his friend. Le sorprendió la aparición repentina de su amigo. All of a sudden, he was here, present. You know, presence, aparición. When it's appearance, when it comes down to looks, it's apariencia. Apariencia. Vaya fiesta de vocales que hay aquí. Apariencia. I don't like his looks. No me gusta su apariencia. Muy bien, se acabó de aparecer. Continuamos con apartar. To separate. To divide. Apartar. So separate is aparte. That is a separate question. Esta es una pregunta o una cuestión aparte. It also means aside. Put this package aside, please. Por favor, ponga este paquete aparte. And when you want somebody to move out of the way, you will say apártate. Apártate de mi camino. A family name is un apellido. Apellido. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What is your name? What is your surname? Your family name? ¿Cuál es tu apellido? And appetite, muy fácil. Apetito. Apetito. Appetite for destruction. Apetito para destrucción. con pistolas y rosas, tío. Bueno, celery, apio. But nobody cares about celery, so we're going to smooth things out, to flatten things. Aplanar. Aplanar. It can reflect the mood. Aplanarse. To be in low spirits. Little depressed here. He got very depressed after his dog leaving. Se aplanó mucho después de que se fuese su perro. To crush. Aplastar. Aplastar. They crushed all resistance. Aplastaron toda la resistencia. Toda resistencia fue aplastada. To applaud, aplaudir. Aplaudir. And applause, aplauso. Han aplaudido mucho. Hubo un montón de aplausos. To apply, aplicar. Aplicar. To apply or to put on. They put a coat of paint on the chair. Le aplicaron una capa de pintura a la silla. Le aplicaron a la silla una capa de pintura. Let's continue with to bet. Apostar. Apostar. How much do you bet? ¿Cuánto apuesta usted? Yes, the stem changes as well. Little irregular thing. Apostar. Yo apuesto todo. To bet on something specific. Apostar a qué? To bet that. I bet I will get there before you. Apuesto a que llego yo antes que usted. To rest something, to put something gently somewhere. Apoyar. Apoyar. Rest your foot on that step, man. Apoye el pie en ese escalón. Apoyar also means to have somebody's back, to support. No one supported his motion. Nadie apoyó su proposición. Apoyarse, reflexive, is to support yourself, to support oneself, to lean towards somewhere. He is leaning on a cane. Se apoya en un bastón para caminar. And to finish today, apoyo. Apoyo. Support. Alright, chavales, esto era todo para hoy. Muchas